Hello, the unstoppable. Elegance is not standing out, but being remembered. This timeless quote by Giorgio Armani captures a secret few truly understand. Elegance isn't about shouting to the world, but about leaving a lasting imprint on everyone who sees you. It's about how you move, how you present yourself, and more than anything, how your clothing speaks before you even say a word. But here's the truth. According to studies, the right outfit can make someone appear up to 10 pounds slimmer without losing a single inch. Intrigued? You should be. In a world where first impressions are everything, mastering the art of dressing elegantly is like holding a key to your own transformation. Imagine stepping into a room and without uttering a word, everyone sees you not just as slimmer, but as poised, graceful, and unforgettable. This is not about hiding behind fabrics. It's about using them to sculpt your figure, to enhance your natural beauty, and to elevate your presence. And with the right clothing choices, you can do just that. Let's dive into the secrets that will not only make you look slimmer, but will redefine how you see yourself. Number 1. The art of illusion. Vertical pinstripes. Vertical pinstripes aren't just a pattern. They're a powerful tool that can instantly change how your body is perceived. When you wear vertical stripes, something subtle but transformative happens. The eye naturally follows the length of the lines, creating the illusion of a longer, leaner body. Unlike bold, wide prints that can draw attention to specific areas, vertical stripes keep everything moving in one direction, up and down. This elongates your silhouette and gives you a more streamlined appearance. The beauty of this effect is that it works for almost any body type. Whether you're wearing a pinstripe suit, a pair of striped trousers, or even a simple shirt, the slimming effect remains the same. What's even more interesting is that this pattern doesn't just make you look slimmer, it makes you appear more put together. There's a level of sophistication that comes with stripes. They have a timeless elegance, a polished feel that automatically elevates your look without any extra effort. You're not just dressing slimmer, you're dressing sharper, more refined, and effortlessly chic. What sets vertical stripes apart from other so-called slimming tricks is how subtle they are. There's no sense of trying too hard. It's not about hiding anything. It's about creating an illusion that works in your favor without shouting for attention. When you wear vertical stripes, you're tapping into a style secret that's as old as fashion itself, yet as relevant today as ever. It's the kind of trick that works every single time, making you look slimmer, taller, and instantly more confident. Or, number 2, the cinched waist. Magic. Structured wrap dresses. A wrap dress is one of the most flattering pieces of clothing you can own. It's designed to hug your body in all the right places while giving you control over how tight or loose you want it to fit. What makes it so powerful is its ability to create an instant hourglass figure, even if you don't naturally have one. The wrap itself draws the fabric across your body, emphasizing the waistline, which is the narrowest part of your torso. This simple design trick naturally makes you look slimmer, but it doesn't stop at just slimming you down. The soft draping of the fabric gracefully skims over areas you might want to conceal, like the stomach or hips, without clinging. The result is a silhouette that's sleek and sophisticated. The wrap dress works by balancing out your proportions, giving you curves in all the right places while elongating your figure. What makes the wrap dress even more special is its versatility. You can wear it for almost any occasion, whether you're heading to a formal event or just having a casual day out. And no matter the setting, it always manages to strike the perfect balance between comfort and elegance. It's the kind of piece that doesn't just make you look good, it makes you feel good too. There's something about the way it fits and flows that instantly boosts your confidence, making it more than just a dress. It's a statement of effortless style. Number 3, mastering the monochrome. One color, endless impact. Wearing a monochrome outfit is one of the most understated but incredibly effective ways to look slimmer and more elegant. When you dress head to toe in a single color, there's a visual continuity that draws the eye along the entire length of your body. This creates the illusion of a longer, leaner frame. There's no visual break, nothing that cuts you off at the waist, hips, or any other point. so the body looks more streamlined and seamless. But the power of monochrome goes beyond just making you look thinner. It's a style trick that exudes confidence and sophistication. By keeping everything in one color, you send a message of intentionality in your dressing. It's sleek, polished, and shows that you understand how to use simplicity to your advantage. It allows the details of your outfit, like textures, cuts, and shapes, to shine without distraction. This approach works with any color, whether it's black, which we all know is slimming, or a more daring shade like white or deep jewel tones. The effect is the same. Monochrome dressing doesn't just simplify your wardrobe choices, it elevates your look, making you appear effortlessly put together. It's a subtle, almost invisible technique, but it has a massive impact on how you're perceived. The result is a refined, elongated appearance that looks both modern and timeless. Number 4. Tailored blazers, sharp lines for a slimming edge. A tailored blazer is more than just a jacket. It's a powerful tool for transforming your look. The sharp, clean lines of a well-fitted blazer immediately bring structure to your outfit, giving you a defined shape that makes your body look slimmer. By nipping in at the waist and adding a bit of shoulder structure, the blazer creates an hourglass effect, no matter your body type. The slight padding in the shoulders balances out your frame, making your waist appear smaller by comparison. What's great about a blazer is that it pulls everything together with a sense of polish and sophistication. It doesn't just make you look put together. It gives your silhouette a crisp, refined edge. Even the way it falls, skimming over the hips and sitting perfectly at the waist, is designed to flatter and slim you down. The beauty of a tailored blazer lies in its versatility. Whether you're wearing it over a dress, paired with tailored trousers, or thrown on over jeans, it works every time. It's a piece that doesn't just complement your figure, it enhances it, giving you a sharp, streamlined look that instantly elevates your whole appearance. You're not just slipping on a jacket, you're adding a layer of confidence and elegance that makes a lasting impression. Number 5. The power of high-waisted pants. Elevating elegance. High-waisted pants are a game changer when it comes to looking slimmer and more put together. By raising the waistline above your natural waist, they create the illusion of longer legs and a smaller midsection. The higher waist draws attention to the narrowest part of your body, making everything below it look more streamlined and balanced. This subtle shift in proportion instantly elongates your silhouette, giving you a taller, more statuesque appearance. But it's not just about making your legs look longer. High-waisted pants have a way of smoothing over any problem areas around the hips or stomach, thanks to the way they sit on your body. They offer structure and support, holding you in while giving a sleek, polished finish. Paired with a tucked-in blouse or a fitted top, the look is effortlessly chic and incredibly flattering. What's even better is that high-waisted pants aren't limited to just formal wear. Whether they're tailored trousers or a more relaxed pair of high-waisted jeans, they have the same slimming effect. It's a wardrobe staple that works with almost anything, elevating your outfit without looking like you're trying too hard. The result is a look that's both modern and timeless, with a fit that enhances your natural shape and leaves you feeling confident and in control. Number 6. Asymmetric hemlines, a dynamic silhouette. Asymmetric hemlines have a unique ability to change the way your body is perceived. Unlike traditional cuts, which follow a predictable straight line, an asymmetric hem breaks that pattern. The uneven length creates visual interest, drawing the eye along different angles and lines. This distraction works in your favor by pulling attention away from any areas you might feel self-conscious about, and instead focusing on the overall flow of the outfit. What's remarkable about asymmetric hemlines is that they add movement to your look, making it seem as though your outfit is constantly shifting and adapting. This movement not only flatters your figure, but also gives the illusion of a longer, leaner body. The irregular cut adds dimension, softening areas like the hips or thighs, while subtly lengthening your legs or upper body depending on the design. The beauty of this style is in its versatility. It works in both casual and formal settings, adding an edge to a simple dress or elevating an everyday top. Asymmetric hemlines do more than just offer a flattering fit. They inject a sense of modernity and sophistication into your wardrobe, It's a subtle but powerful way to stand out, creating a refined look that's both sleek and dynamic without being overly complicated. Number 7. The fluidity of maxi dresses, skimming, not clinging. Maxi dresses are the unsung heroes of looking effortlessly slim and graceful. The long, flowing fabric creates an unbroken vertical line that makes your body appear longer and leaner. Unlike fitted dresses that cling to every curve, a well-chosen maxi dress glides over your figure, skimming past areas you might want to downplay. This soft draping creates a smooth, streamlined silhouette that feels both elegant and comfortable. What makes maxi dresses particularly effective is how they balance comfort with style. You don't have to worry about tight fabrics or restrictive cuts, yet the dress still gives you that polished, put-together look. The length naturally draws the eye downward, elongating your frame, while the gentle movement of the fabric adds a sense of ease and fluidity to your appearance. Another benefit is the versatility. You can dress it up with heels and accessories for a more formal look, or keep it casual with flats or sandals. The result is the same: a relaxed, sophisticated style that doesn't sacrifice comfort for elegance. Whether you're at a summer event or a casual gathering, the maxi dress offers a simple, chic solution to looking trimmer without even trying. It's a perfect blend of ease and refinement that effortlessly enhances your figure. Number 8. Pointed toe shoes, extending the leg line. Dark wash jeans are a staple for anyone looking to appear slimmer without sacrificing style. Unlike lighter denim, which can highlight every curve and crease, dark wash jeans have a slimming effect that smooths and elongates your legs. The deeper shade absorbs light, creating the illusion of a more streamlined silhouette. Whether they're black, deep indigo, or navy, the dark color tricks the eye into seeing a more refined, balanced figure. The cut of the jeans matters too. A pair of dark wash jeans in a straight or bootcut style can balance out your proportions, especially around the hips and thighs. The clean, uninterrupted lines of the fabric help to draw the eye up and down, lengthening your frame and giving you a leaner look. What's even better is that these jeans are incredibly versatile. They can be dressed up with heels and a blazer for a sleek, polished outfit, or kept casual with a simple t-shirt and flats. Dark wash jeans also have an air of sophistication that lighter washes just don't offer. There's a timeless quality about them that makes them suitable for almost any occasion, all while subtly working to make you look your best. They're more than just jeans. They're a wardrobe essential that gives you an effortless way to enhance your figure without even thinking about it. Incorporating elegant clothing choices into your wardrobe is not just about aesthetics. It's a powerful way to redefine your silhouette and boost your confidence. Each piece, from vertical pinstripes to dark wash jeans, offers unique benefits that work together to create a more polished, slimmer appearance. By understanding how these styles enhance your figure, you can make intentional choices that not only flatter your body but also reflect your personal style. Embracing these elegant options allows you to feel empowered and effortlessly chic, ensuring that every time you step out, you do so with grace and confidence. With the right clothing, you don't just wear a look, you embody elegance, making a lasting impression wherever you go. If you enjoyed discovering these stylish secrets to looking slimmer and more elegant, why not keep the fun going? Hit that subscribe button and join our fabulous community. You'll get the latest tips, tricks, and trends delivered straight to you, so you never miss out on looking your best. Let's make fashion a joyful adventure together. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now and stay blessed.